Hi, today I'll show you how you can remove parental controls or family link from your OPPO Find X3 Lite. So let's update our phones. So on the left side is our parents' phone, and on the right side our OPPO. So if we'll try to wanted to say delete icon, so it won't work, but I don't even see an icon. So if you try to press here and stop supervision, as you can see it will lock your phone, and also it will tell your parents. So let's press cancel, then let's go back. So go to settings, then Google, manage your Google account. After that, press get started, data and privacy, scroll down, delete your Google account. No. Well, yeah, I know why it's in Russian, but just enter here your password. Yeah, after you press OK, well, as you can see, I just made a mistake, so I will write my password once again. So now scroll down, click here, and also right there. Now press delete account, and as you can see we have some errors, but that's okay, because if we will update our parents' phone, something isn't right. Okay, let's go back, and as you can see our phone is just gone. So what does it mean? It means that, as you can see, we've got all our applications back, so it means that we just removed our parental control. If you want to check, let's go to settings, Google, parental control. As you can see, we have nothing here, so it worked. But if you want to get your Google account back, go to settings, then press user and accounts. Now add account, Google. Now, okay, so just enter here your Google account. Press next. As you can see, it was recently deleted, and you can restore this account, so press next. Enter your password. Okay, if you have this message, so just go back and enter your password again. Okay, if you have this problem, that's also not a problem, because you can always press next and enter your email and password once again. Okay, so right now you can press I agree and accept, and it's done. We just deleted or removed our parental control and family link, and also we just restored our Google account. So that's it. Press like, subscribe to our channel, and see you next time.